We screw the plastic block onto one end of the screw rod. Then screw a nut onto the same end of the screw rod to fix the block. After fixing the block, we screw the other end of the screw rod into the speed reducer. We need to screw the rod out from the speed reducer. The screwed out part should be sufficient for piston installation. We screw the piston onto the screwed out rod like in the video. After installing the piston, slip the square metal tube over the screw rod. The entire set of devices is designed to prevent the screw rod from rotating when it moves forward. Now let's install the small tree. Position it properly and press gently. We can rotate the tree left and right. Next, we put the control box onto the tree. The control box is to adjust or control clay extruding speed. There are 7 wires from control box. 4 wires are connected to the motor, 2 wires to 3 printers power supply. The remaining 1 wire is the signal wire. The wiring part is described in detail in the PDF instructions. Now we place the extruder into the installed base. Connect the extruder motor. This is our hot fan. Just attach it onto the hot end. Then screw in the small screw to fix the fan. And insert this clay tube base under the speed reducer, which is used to support a clay tube. Turn on the 3D printer. Now let me show you how to choose the language you need. Now I need to change Chinese into English. I have changed the language. Then input the file. If you can't find the file, please insert the card more times. Now we try to print this file. You can print with automatic leveling, but this time I turn off this function because the bed is already leveled. Now the printer is ready to print. First, we need to calibrate the height. Then the clay will be squeezed out. The control box is on when the hot end fan works. Now we adjust it to P004. You can turn this button to adjust the value. The larger value, the more clay extruded out. Now the clay should have been squeezed out if we installed the clay barrel. We are able to adjust printing speed on screen. The faster printing speed, the less clay is squeezed out. On the contrary, the lower printing speed, the more clay is squeezed out. So we adjust the speed according to the clay printing out situation. The fan speed is 255. The fan is blowing hot wind. The fan temperature we set is around 100 degrees Celsius. Z offset is used to adjust the nozzle height. The value is larger, the nozzle is higher. If the clay is printed out too much, we adjust the offset higher. Usually we think it's proper that adjust 2 millimeters at one time. If you'd like to learn how to load clay and printing process, please watch our other videos.